Hello students, today we will be solving the IB Math A HL May 2025 paper 2 answer 2 question number 8. You will be getting the solutions for the first 7 questions of this paper and the solutions to the other questions of the other past papers in form of playlists on my channel NS Online Math Tutoring classes. You will also be getting playlists where the solved past paper questions will be available based on their topics. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I'm an online IB Math A HL level tutor. My phone number and my website address are displayed at the bottom of the screen. So without any further delay, let us start to solve this question number 8. The maximum mark is 7. The marks obtained by students in a class quiz are shown in the following table where P and Q are positive integers. This is P and this is Q. The marks are 20, 35 and P and the frequencies are 12, Q and 8. The mean and variance of the marks are 31 and 124 respectively. Find the value of P and the value of Q. Okay, so we know these two formulas. These are given in your formula booklet. The mean is sigma Fi xi over sigma Fi. This is the formula for the mean. And the formula for the variance, you can consult your formula booklet. In place of sigma Fi, it is written N. Okay. And for variance, it is sigma Fi xi square over Fi sigma Fi minus this one. I can call this as mu for mean if this is mu and this is sigma square variance. So this is minus mu square. Okay. So now we will be just using these two formulas. First of all, it is the mu or the mean. Mean is equal to if I is for the frequency and xi is the marks, corresponding marks. So mean is 20 times 12 or 12 times 20, whatever you want. You may write it in that way. Plus 35 times q is 35q plus p times 8 is 8p over sigma Fi, so the summation of all these three. So 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 plus q. This is given to be equal to 31. Okay. And this may be numbered as equation number 1. Okay. And the equation number 2 is for the variance. It is Fi xi square. So we have to square the marks. So it is 20 squared times 12 plus 35 squared times q plus p squared times 8. So it is 8p squared over sigma Fi, which is 20 plus q, minus mu square, which is 31. Mu is 31. So mu square is 31 square. This is equal to 124. Okay. Fine. So now this can be numbered as equation number 2, and we are having 2 equations and 2 unknowns. So we should be able to get the values of P and Q. First of all, let us take the equation number 1. From 1, 2 times 12 is 24 and this is 2 times 10. So it is 240. You don't have to do the multiplication orally. You have the calculator with you. And plus 35q plus 8p is equal to, I am multiplying both sides by 20 plus q. Okay. So 31 times 20 plus q. So this is equal to 31 times 2 is 62 times 10 is 620 plus 31q. Okay. So Let us find a relationship between P and Q. Let us express Q in terms of P. You may express P in terms of Q as well. So, I am first of all subtracting 31Q from both the sides. So, 35Q minus 31Q. Next, I am subtracting 8P from both the sides. So, this will be 620 is there and minus 8P. And I am subtracting 240 also from both the sides. So, I am getting minus 240. Okay. And this is 4Q equal to minus 8P and 620 minus 240. You may use your calculator. 620 minus 240 is 380. Okay. So, 380 minus 8P. Okay. And 380 and this is 8P. So, if you check, is 380 divisible by 4? 8 is divisible by 4. 4 times 9 is 36 and 2 and 5. It is. So, I am dividing the entire equation by 4. So, this is 4 times 9 is 36, 20 is 5 and this is 2P. So, this is the relationship between Q and P. Q is equal to 95 minus 2P. This is equation number 3. Okay. Substituting the expression of Q from 3 in 1, we get, sorry, not 1, 2. This is the equation number 2. Okay. 20 squared times 12, I am keeping it as it is. 20 squared times 12 plus 35 squared times 95 minus 2P. In place of Q, I am writing 95 minus 2P. Plus 8P square. And I can take this, I can add 31 square to both the sides. So it is 124 plus 31 square. And next I am multiplying both the sides by 20 plus Q. If you are getting confused, okay, let us do this. Let us not do both the parts in one step. So this is 20 plus, in place of Q, I'll be writing 95 minus 2P. Okay. And now I will be multiplying both the sides by this denominator. You can add 20 and 95 if you want. So 20 plus 95, 115. Okay. So I can write this 20 squared times 12. I'm expanding this part. Plus 35 squared times 95 minus 35 squared times 2P plus 8P square equal to 124 plus 31 square times 115 minus 2P. Okay. And it is a quadratic equation in P. So, we will be having all the terms on the left hand side of the equal to sign and we will be having a 0 on the right side of the equal to sign. So, let us rearrange the terms. 8P square and now the coefficient of P, I am writing plus P first. And from this term, I am having minus 35 square times 2. Okay. And from the right side, I am seeing that I am having, okay, let me just expand this part to make it simpler. Okay. So this is just 124 times 115 minus 124 times 2p plus 31 squared times 115 and minus 31 squared times 2p. Okay, so if you expand this part, you will be getting 4 terms. And 2 of them are having p. So we will be adding 124 times 2p plus 31 squared times 2p to both the sides. So we are having plus 124 times 2 and plus 31 squared times 2. Okay, p is there outside. Regarding the constant terms, first of all, we are having these two constant terms. So plus 20 squared times 12 plus 35 squared times. I'm not doing these calculations because the calculator will be doing these calculations for me. I don't need to spend any time for doing these calculations and writing the products. So 35 squared times 95, and next for these two, I have to subtract 125 times 115 and 31 squared times 115 from both the sides. So it is minus 124 times 115 minus 31 squared times 115 equal to 0. Okay. So now we will be using the calculator, menu, number 3 algebra, number 3 polynomial tools, number 1 find roots of polynomials, and degree is, it is 2. If you cannot see it properly, it is 2, and okay. And first of all, the coefficient of x square, which is p square in our case, it is 8. Come down. I will be writing this entire expression. First of all, let me write the positive terms. So 124 times, I could have written the negative term also using this negative sign. 124 times 2 plus 31 square times 2 minus 35 square times 2. Okay. And now coming to the constant part, it is 20 square times 12. I can read these two from here. Okay. Plus 35 square times 95, and then minus 124 times 115. Okay. Minus 124 times 115 minus 31 square times 115. 31 square times 115. And okay. Fine. See, the calculator has done all the calculations. Enter. So we have got the two p values. One is negative 10 and another is 45. Okay. So therefore, p is equal to negative 10 or 45. Obviously, p is marks, so p cannot be a negative number. If there is some negative marking, of course, p can be a negative number, but over here they have said p and q are positive integers. So we cannot take the negative sign, negative 10, since P belongs to the set of positive integers. Therefore, P is equal to 45 and Q is equal to, what was Q? Say 95 minus 2P. 95 minus 2P equal to 95 minus 2 times 45. 2 times 45 is 90. So, 95 minus 90 is 5. So, equal to 5. So, therefore, P is equal to 45. Q is equal to 5. Okay. So, we have solved this question completely. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like and share this video in case you have liked my explanation, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your liking, sharing and subscribing will be really helping me a lot. We'll be meeting very soon in our next session. We'll be solving question number 9 of the same paper. Till then, bye.